Hello, today's topic? At a zoo.
Look at that lion. It's so majestic.
Yes, it's the king of the jungle.
Do you want to see the monkeys next?
Sure, I love watching them swing around.
Let's head to the primate exhibit.
I heard they have baby gorillas there.
That sounds adorable. I can't wait.
Look, there's a family of elephants.
They're so huge and gentle.
Do you know why they have long trunks?
I think it's for drinking and grabbing food.
That's right. They're very versatile.
Let's not forget to visit the reptile house.
I'm not a fan of snakes, but okay.
They have other reptiles too, like turtles.
Turtles are cute. I'm fine with them.
Look at the colorful parrots.
They're so beautiful and vibrant.
I wish I could take one home.
Me too, but they're best left in the wild.
Do you want to grab some snacks?
Yes, I could go for some ice cream.
Let's find the refreshment stand.
I think it's near the exit.
Here it is. What flavor do you want?
I'll have chocolate chip. What about you?
I'll go for strawberry. Thanks.
No problem. Let's enjoy our treats.
Yes, and then we can visit the gift shop.
I want to get a souvenir to remember this day.
Sounds like a plan. Let's go.
Vocabulary.
Zoo. Lion. Majestic. King. Jungle. Monkey. Swing. Primate. Exhibit. Baby. Gorilla. Elephant. Trunk. Reptile. Snake. Turtle. Parrot. Souvenir. Snack. Stand.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.